when you get a truck like this behind me, it doesn't really take me a lot to try and sell it to you. Fantastic looking Ford Ranger Wildtrak 3-litre V6 just arrived in Cyber Orange. This thing looks pretty special. It's had thousands and thousands spent on it to make it look like this. It's VAT qualifying, prices plus VAT, 13,000 miles. I'm sure there'll be plenty of interest in this. It's been done externally modified properly as well, so it hasn't been done on the cheap basically. We've got the canopy at the back, which is colour coded. The Alpha 3 canopy costs a lot of money. We've got arch extensions in gloss black. We've got the 20-inch upgraded Predator wheels with Renegade tyres. We've got the wind deflector pack. We've got the animated LED light bar. We've got under bull bar. So this real heavy duty thing here, it just gives it that real aggressive, massive road presence to an already brilliant truck. The 3-litre V6 Wildtrak, you know, the new version is phenomenal to drive. It's obviously 4-wheel drive. It's got the most modern interface that Ford do. And this is pretty special. The reason we bought this is really because of its colour. In Cyber Orange, with all the added extras, it just looks that little bit different. For me, it's probably for the value, and it's very unique in the market for sure, because the Cyber Orange matches that interior detailing. The Wildtrak comes with the orange stitching, the orange detailing to the dash. This vehicle has heated front seats and heated wheel. It has adaptive cruise, it has blind spot assist, it has lane assist, it has reverse camera. It's really, really nice. And of course it's a double cab, so it comes with the space you'll need if you want to carry additional passengers, family members or whatever. It's really nice. And on a 73, it's still under Ford warranty for a good period of time, well over a year. So another peace of mind. It also has Towbar, it's load line. But if you look at this bit, it's got the Type 3 Alpha back. Now, this gives you opening windows to the rear section, but it's also fully glass. So it looks really good, especially with that black window continuing from the front to the rear. We've got rear light guards as well, a little additional feature. Again, the tow bar with electrics. The Alpha back just opens up like so for easy access there, or you can drop it. And you can see we've got a load line back there as well. So, going on the website now, the price is plus VAT. If you're interested, get in touch straight away, because the additional features on this cost a lot of money. Like these arches, so front arches, rear arches, the wheels. If you look at these wheels, how nice is that design from the Predator wheel? Again, if you look on the website for the company that sells these, they're a lot of money, especially with these Renegade tyres. And then inside, you know, we've got loads of features. We've got electric driver seat. Again, the orange detailing on the steering wheel and across the dash, which I've mentioned. And we have keyless start. On the steering wheel, we've got cruise control with lane assist. It is adaptive cruise in these new trucks. The steering wheel is heated. It's a massive iPad-like tablet, which details all your driver features, including reversing camera. We've got some different views for the camera system as well. Smartphone integration, which is wireless. Obviously, automatic gearbox, 2 keys. You've got high range, low range gearbox here. Just a really, really good truck to use for work purposes or personal use, but with that head-turning road appeal. I think it'll sell quickly. It's on the website now. If you're interested, my name's Richard, give me a call. It is the bigger engine, so it is the 3-litre V6, which makes all the difference. But really, no one's going to miss you driving around in this. It's stunning. Thanks for watching.